Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and today I'll be going through the basics of creating a dashboard in Microsoft Power BI. A Power BI dashboard is a single page, often called a canvas, that tells a story through visualizations. Because it's limited to one page, a well designed dashboard contains only the highlights of that story. Readers can view related for reports for the details. I'll be going you through how to create your very own dashboard as well as some of the features that you can use with the dashboard feature in Power BI. So here we have the homepage of Power BI, access through app.powerbi.com, and logging into your respective Microsoft account. So from here, to create your very own dashboard, you'd want to go to a report. I have this report ready. Click on edit the report, and if you hover over a visual graph, there's a pin visual option right here. So click on that, and it will open a pop-up window that asks if you want to pin to a dashboard. We don't have an existing one, so we'll pin to a new dashboard. Report dashboard, click pin, and we can see that it's been pinned to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard itself. And here we can see that we've created, or rather, we've transferred the visual graph from the report to this dashboard. So going back to the report, I'd want to click edit again, find a different graph, and pin those to the existing dashboard that we've now created. Let's do this one as well. So going back to the dashboard, we now have three visuals on the dashboard itself. These are called tiles, and we can move them around as we see fit, as well as adjust their sizes and visual representations as we want. So from here, what features can we expect from Microsoft Power BI dashboards? So under File, we can save a copy for ourselves or locally, and manage permissions on who can view the dashboards as well as print this page. We can share it within the organization or outside, as well as put it directly in Microsoft Teams. Leave a comment for the dashboard or subscribe to it as well. However, we can also choose to edit the dashboard itself. We can choose to add a tile. These square blocks on the dashboard are called tiles. So if we want to select that, we can choose to either add web content, but that's grayed out, an image, text box, a video, or custom streaming data from Microsoft services. So let's add a simple text box, a report dashboard, title, as well as some sub-content description. Apply. Now we have another tile that we have just added to the dashboard itself. We can also choose dashboard theme from either some basic Microsoft themes or uploading our own theme to the database. And lastly, one of the features of Microsoft dashboards is we can ask a question about the data itself. So if we click Q&A at the top, we can ask a question about our data. We can enter in keywords or a specific question, but let's just enter, say, one of these, clicking on total annual revenue, and we can see that the annual revenue is 955,000. Here, we can see that this Q&A portion is just a filtering of the data within the dashboard, which compiles all of the data from your different reports, so you can see the summarization of it in one click. And there you have it. That's your basic features for creating dashboards as well as editing the dashboards in Microsoft Power BI. We hope that these dashboards and its capabilities are able to help you gather all your data from different sources and summarize them in a way that makes it more efficient to see all of your data. Thank you.